Okay, so this is an exciting moment. I've got these Acura TSX seats. I'm not sure what year they're out of. Bought them off someone on Facebook Marketplace. This is the driver's that goes up, down, front, back, and reclines, and then it has manual lumbar. Over here, I also have the passengers, and it just goes front, back, and reclines. These are going in my 1979 F-100, and I just figured out the wiring. It's actually far simpler than I expected, and I was fiddling around with a little while, connecting the battery to wires, getting sparks. I was like, this is just a terrible idea. Also, FYI, yellow, don't touch. This is airbags. So first things first, I removed any exposed wires. I'm going to be epoxying in this airbag sensor and hiding it away so that you cannot accidentally give it any voltage. Anyways, that being said, I pulled off this side seat panel to expose this, which is the harness plug for all the controls. And then basically what I did, there's wires that I knew there had to be positive and negative coming in, and then the controls just switch positive and negative to the motors. And then there's wires going out to each motor. So I was like, I just need to figure out which wires are coming in from this plug, which went to the car's wiring harness. So just use my multimeter, set it onto the ohm setting, 200 ohms, and figured which wires had conductivity between them. And so I've got two grounds here, the black ones, and then I've got two power plus 12 volts, which are red and white and blue and white. And that's it. So hook those up with power, and this thing is fully powered, which is amazing. Other connectors include seat occupancy sensors, heated seats, etc. Not messing with that now. I just want power. Maybe in the future we'll figure out the heated seats, but for now I'm happy with power. Super pumped to get these installed in my truck. So stay tuned for that installation. I'm gonna have to do some seat bracket, figuring out how the brackets are gonna work, figuring out how they're gonna mount, and then also figuring out a center console to go in. So anyways, quick update. This project is in the works, coming soon. Thanks for watching, guys.